Hello, my dear students. Today I'll be taking up the saving function. So we need to study saving function also just to uh, determine the equilibrium level of income and employment and output. So along with the consumption function and investment function. So let us start with. So what is saving? Saving is a part of income which is not spent or consumed. Hadi akoina paisa sinagidaba consume tawgidaba income lemhobu sorokto, that is we call saving. In other words, income of consumption is called saving. So symbolically, S is equal to Y minus C, where S is for saving, Y is for income, that is disposable income, and C is for consumption. Okay, then what is saving function like? So saving function or the propensity to save relates to the level of saving to the level of income. So what is this propensity? It is the desire or tendency of the household to save at a given level of income. So thus saving is the function of income. Saving is the income that depend on whatever. So S is equal to Fy. S for saving, then Y for income, and F for say function. So in this regard, we need to know some other terms like propensity to save. Once again, so it is the proportion of total income or an increase in the income that consumers save rather than spend on goods and services. Okay, so then another term is APS, average propensity to save. It is defined as the ratio of aggregate saving to aggregate income. It determines the percentage of income that is saved. Akuna taliba paisa du percentage kya mung save to give do. Adu puthok padu akuna, that is called the average propensity to save. It is determined by dividing the saving by the income, a proportion of income do. Kami amna save together, that is average propensity to save. Okay. Then let us see what are the important features of average propensity to save. Number one, we can say APS can never be one or more than one. Age saving can never be equal to or more than national income. Hadi savings in a national income simi yawa share or them na hadi karam di consume to kradem sina the gidoro bernina. APS sim di one yawa di share or one di hen basuya. Then number 2 point is APS can be zero. The APS is zero when saving is zero. Saving the kadoba the side zero is saving the maram the labor mayam the consume the proper the call. Aduna siguma point. This point is known as break even point. Masakuna break even point ka wadi economic saving sulay later but loina income loina masakuna consume the topogi matang se asiwakuna kai break even point ka. Then next point of say say APS karino APS can be negative or less than 1 at income levels which are lower than the break-even point. APS can be negative as there will be this saving in the economy. Other kanum kanda koina APS negative over shoy kanum kanda no haiba kanda koina say laiba income sing to madu loina maktu koina kharas to thokiba mathakta khara hena gamu kharas to minus sapatu adunu koina negative and harise kamai minus sakada ga yati hana ki past saving de gi koina sina thokpe ai hojiki laiba income de gi nataba natragen mingon de puru sina su yai ko other than negative set then next point, the APS rises with the increase in income. Adana APS income hengalaga di mas nu APS rises with the increase in income because the proportion of income saved keeps on increasing. Kay na kanta ko na income gi proportion income hengalay khuding ko na saving to is actually hele. So these are some of the important features of the average propensity to save. Next, let us see the marginal propensity to save. So what is marginal propensity to save? So it is defined as the measure of the rate at which saving changes as national income changes. Other than national income change, so we rate to ko adu koina kari kauke the marginal propensity to save. Adi national income change to ko matung ina koi saving to change to ni have ko. Kari rate change to ke have ko adu koina marginal propensity to save. It is denoted by delta S by delta Y. Delta S is the change in saving ni, delta Y is change in income. Okay. Then what are the important features of marginal propensity to consume? Marginal propensity to save. Number one, MPS is always positive. MPS is positive rate ni na ko. Then MPS varies between 0 and 1. MPS is barabar 0 amsung 1 character like any. If entire additional income is saved, ano ba tholak pa income loy mo shape to ka da ni masana change in consumption do zero area duga MPS no 1 again. However, if the entire additional income is consumed, entire kano si loy na ma consume to thokraba adu itarde margin ko gi ngasai change in savings si zero oramni automatically marginal propensity to save se masi dum zero orani have ko adi consumption do change zero already marginal propensity to simsana 1 orani aduga saving do na zero already change saving zero already marginal propensity to simsana zero orani ko. Okay. Now let us see the graphical representation of say average propensity to save. So we all know average propensity to save is the ratio of saving to income, okay, S by Y. So in the figure 1.1, let us see, so y-axis represents saving, then x-axis represents income, and the sloping upward line ko sida singiba S ki line mathak to paina singkhalip se this is the saving aduna at point T of saving cup sigi point T sida akoi yeng se sida income cam koi the lakpa or la e ko aduga say saving na cam to OP to re ko the corresponding yeng kanda koi no OR ga TP ga chap manai aduga mok say OP ga TR ga sum chap manari ko aduna APS is equal to TR by TP adi matam at any point to the labor matam dugi say saving to income the divide to matam da it's very easy to find out average propensity to save. Next let us see the graphical representation of marginal propensity to save. Okay. So aduna marginal propensity to save si kaina pi the rate of saving ratio of the rate of saving to say same. I repeat, marginal propensity to save is the ratio of the change in saving to the change in income. In this figure, a various propensity to adam hiram money y-axis represents saving, then x-axis represents the income. Aduga slanting over sloping upward over s in a saving cup oire. Aduga upon a hand bagi point do. See, we have 2 points on a saving cup T and A. Ahan bagi lady or income labor kind of savings OP tore adu income si hen kalle karaida R1 da haidi OR1 gi labor matam si da income labor matam si de saving gi portion je na apna OP1 oidurim ne but adu so marginal propensity to save kamai puto ka dagi hai tar di adi OR lenam dai or si OR1 da income hengal ko matam da change in income से R to R1 R1 से orani ko ID कोइना कनो सिमिलर रनी अदुगा मु change in कनो सिना savings ना सगी income level हेंगलक पा R1 हेंगलक पा change in saving नर कदो पा कोइना PP अदुना कोइना कोइगी income से OR1 लाख पा मतम इस कोइगी savings सु कोइना OP लेरम दगी OP1 दा लाख रमिने change in savings कोइना PP1 ना कोइना येंगदुरिम ने बको aduna PP1 je kono riyat lom di bakana sai triangle gi manak ta busala pakanda PP1 na shidi ko gi AN ga samanare ko NA or AN aduga ngasai gi change in income do hadi akona karin represent to kanda RR1 na to gi change in income se ko hadi OR1 minus OR du masan RR1 tare RR1 je kono yem bakanda mathak te yem bakanda hadi triangle gi portion gi yem bakanda akona TN ta ye ko aduna delta S lay represent koina AN represent orani duga delta Y na koina TN represent orani aduna MPS है marginal propensity to save से मसी AN by TN तो कोina figures की मतुंगिना graphs की मतुंगिना इरा लाइन पुथोक पे याय को aduna मुखा ना कोina MPS is the ratio of the change in saving to change in income. Okay aduna MPS पुथोक पा अरुबो ओइदे graphically as well as कोina example जो कोina mathang koina heng calculation gi part koina yeng si ko multiply ro puthok bai timing to masi loi ma koi calculation ji mina si aduga say once again break even point nung nising ngamge break even point is the point where say consumption is equal to income. There is no saving. It occurs when income and consumption levels are equal. At this point, there is no saving. Now, for today, we let us wind up the class. We just we just revise again and again whatever we have discussed in our lessons, and we'll meet next time. Thank you.